how to get a promo code in Trading212 to get a free share. So all you're gonna have to do is to get your Trading212 account, open the app, and once you are here, click on three lines in right down corner area, and here you need to click on get a reward. And now the campaign is active, so you can actually get a free shares worth up to 100 euros or USD for each friend you invite to Trading212. So scroll down and here you will get your link, so you can simply copy it. Here you can see also the steps. What do my friends need to do? Sign up with this link, verify the identity, and make a deposit. So the deposit should be $10 or 10 euros. And down here you will see your rewards. If you swipe here to the left, you can see shares value probability. So it's 80% chance you will get 8 to 25 euros or dollars, and 2% chance you will get up to 75 euros or dollars to 100 euros. So you will get a share and your friend will get a share. You can do 5 invitation in each campaign. Also, if you want to, you can use my invitation code. Just click on that link in the video description and we will get a free share. And then you can also invite your friends or someone you want to. So that's basically it. It's pretty straightforward. You can do it on your own, but make sure that the campaign is active. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also, make sure to subscribe and see you next time.